Hey guys, Dana here with ASLLOVE, and today I'm going to show you how to sign the word resolution as a New Year's resolution. So to sign resolution, you have two options. The first being the sign for goal. Take your non-dominant hand, pointer finger extended, and just put it out a little bit in front of you. Take your dominant hand, pointer finger extended, just kind of aim for the goal. 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 Now your second option is to sign the word promise. So take your non-dominant hand to the letter S or a fist, and then take your dominant hand, start at your mouth, and bring it down to a 5-hand shape. Promise. Promise. Now you can use both of those words interchangeably in a few different ways. So I'm going to give you a few examples. So now you know how to sign the word resolution as a New Year's resolution. And I hope that helps.